Okay, here are my top 10 keyboard shortcuts that I use all the time, and if you want to customize your keyboard shortcuts, you go into keyboard customization. If you don't have these, I'm in DaVinci Resolve 2 for keyboard customization, and I've added a few custom ones, so some of these may not work for you unless you customize them. So the first keyboard shortcut that I use often is Option Command L, and that unlinks a clip. You can see that the clips are unlinked. If you select them again, both of them, Option Command L, that links them again. You can alternatively click or go Shift Command L, and that just disables linking for all the clips. Or if you press Shift Command L, that enables the linking for all clips. The next keyboard shortcut that I use is Option Arrow Up or Arrow Down. So this really quickly, you are able to move a clip up and down within the tracks that you have. The next one I use often is if you select a clip, comma or period. This nudges the clip by 1 frame. The next one I use is Command D, for length. So say if I have a bunch of clips here and I want to change them all to 1 second, this is helpful with photos and certain clips. Command D, they all change to 1 second long. To close the gap, all these gaps, another keyboard shortcut is Option D, so that closes them all into single clips. The next keyboard shortcut I use is Shift Delete. So if you want to delete something and close the gap at the same time, Shift Delete brings it in. Another really good one is Option F, Reveal in Project. So say you have a clip and you want to reveal where it is and find familiar or similar clips. Select your clip, Option F, so that reveals where the clip is. Another good keyboard shortcut is Enable or Disable. So say you have a B-roll on a clip, a couple options of B-roll, and you want to disable or enable it. You just press the letter D, and it quickly disables or enables the clip. Another keyboard shortcut is Paste Insert. So say you've copied something from another timeline or another sequence. I'm just going to copy it from here, and you want to paste but insert it in between an edit. You Command C, copy, and then Shift Command V, that pastes the clip and it pushes everything to the right off to the side, and inserting it into your edit. And again, to delete something and close gaps, Shift Delete. And then as far as columns, the columns that I use often are flags, clip color. You can organize clip color by B-roll or any way that you need to. Usage, so if I delete a bunch of clips here, now I can see what's been used and what hasn't. Usage 0, usage 2, that means video and audio. And then also file path. This is helpful if you want to organize your files or see where they're coming from. Maybe color code camera A or camera B. And that's about it for my keyboard shortcuts.